Good morning. Happy New Year. I wish you all a successful 2021. New year, but the challenges remain the same. We are still fighting to overcome the effects of COVID-19. And we still have to make the right and the wise decisions to protect ourselves, our families, and our loved ones. It's very important that we don't let our guards down. And it's very important that we look out for each other. I pray that the Lord will bless each and every one of you and help us all to have a very successful year, 2021, both in all the areas of our lives. Spiritually, I pray that we all will have a closer relationship with Him, that we will all surrender our hearts and lives to Him, and that we will do our utmost best to be a part of the church and to make it into what we classify, whether through life or through the rapture, that we all make it in. Secondly, I hope we set positive goals for ourselves and our families, our business, so that financially we can all become strong and stable. I also hope that we set physical goals to sustain and maintain good health, eat healthy, exercise, be disciplined. The key to success in any area or areas of our lives is discipline. So we must be disciplined in our spiritual walk with Christ. We must be disciplined in managing our money to invest and ensure that we protect our loved ones with life insurance. We must be disciplined in our exercise regime, in how we eat. We must be disciplined in our relationship with our wives, our loved ones, our children, our family. And we must be disciplined in giving back to the broader communities. So when we set our annual plan for this year, please include those 5 areas, things you would like to accomplish spiritually, financially, physically, relationship-wise, and what you give back to your community. You all know my name is Paul Edwards, registered representative with New York Life. I help you as individual, and I also help businesses, business owners, to plan and save effectively for that period of time that you choose to work not as hard as you are doing now. We call that retirement planning. And I help you to protect yourself and your loved ones with life insurance. I call it love insurance and long-term care. And here at New York Life, we help you with estate planning. I was reading, as you know, on Mondays, we speak about matters relating to insurance. And I was reading an article which said that because of COVID-19, last year in 2020, more persons have become very, very concerned and are making positive steps to make sure they have enough life insurance, and they are working on their wills, and they are also doing their estate planning. So COVID-19 has brought that to the forefront. And as I said, because of how important life insurance is, and on Mondays, that's what I speak to, I am encouraging every person that is listening to me right now to contact me at 321-557-1155 so we can schedule some time to review your life insurance need. Again, 321-557-1155. Having sufficient life insurance is very, very important. Having an estate plan in place, looking about your will, what will happen to me when I'm no longer here. All these things are of utmost importance. And that's why I call it love insurance, because love is not only just in words, but it is in action. And what it does, it gives you peace of mind. So you can call me for your life insurance quotes, and we can see of what a policy would cost you at this time. And I'm just going to quickly do a quick life insurance quote just to give you an idea. And again, I'm going to be using what we call our best rate. But most persons, so the quote is going to be determined based on the ratings you get. So I'm going to run a quick quote and show that to you. So let me just share my screen with you so you can see what exactly I am saying. So this is the tool that I use. And so normally I'm going to do a quote for a term life insurance policy. And as we said, you can do an yearly convertible term. You can do a fixed premium. So let us say it's a male, and let us say he is 35, okay, non-smoker. I'm going to do a select preferred, so 35-year-old male, select preferred, and I am going to do a 20 years term. So this is 20 years, so it's lasts for 20 years. And he makes a check-o-matic. That means every month they take the contributions from his salary, and when you from his checking account. And so when you look at it quickly, you are going to see this illustration is running now, that for a 35-year-old male in excellent health, 20 years, it works out to, I think, 17, here it is. Here it is, 1750 per month, 250,000, and that is for 20 years. So if you quickly go down here, you see, there it is, 250,000 coverage for at 1750 works out to $210 for the entire year, covers you for $250,000. And I'm going to quickly do a next policy. I'm going to do a term just the same. Again, I'm using the select preferred rating, but let us say it's a 50-year-old male. And again, you run the illustration. Nothing has changed. It works out to $55 per month for a 50-year-old male if he gets the best rating on that policy. So doing a life insurance policy is not an expensive venture, but it is necessary. So there it is, 50-year-old male for $250,000. It works out to $56 per month. And if it was, for example, here 100,000, just showing to you, because the amount varies. It just depends on how much coverage is appropriate for you as an individual. So for a 100,000, say 50-year-old male, 20 years, work out at $30.40. It's very important that you get life insurance. So call me today, Paul Edwards, New York Life. You can reach me at 321-557-1155, so we can look at your insurance need so that you can protect yourself and your loved one with what I call love insurance. Have a blessed day, productive week, and keep yourself and your family safe.